Hi everyone, welcome to Hero Handmade Crochet. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to crochet a simple and quick coaster pattern. This design is perfect for beginners and can be finished in no time, making it a great option for home decor or gifting. First of all, we will look into the materials needed. I'm going to be using this cord yarn. This is a round rope, 100% cotton. Along with that, I'm going to be using the 5mm steel crochet hook to crochet this. And then we will get started with the foundation. There we need to start with a magic ring. So wrap the yarn around your index finger 2 times. And then insert the hook into the ring here. Yarn over. Pull through the ring. Now we have a loop. Yarn over and pull through the loop. This is the magic ring we are going to work into. And then we will get started with round 1. There we need to work 8 single crochets inside the magic ring. So insert the hook, yarn over, pull through. Now we have 2 loops on our hook. Yarn over and pull through both the loops. This is the first single crochet. Again, insert the hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over and pull through both the loops. This is the second single crochet. Again, insert the hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2. This is the third one. Like that, we will continue making the 8 single crochets. 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. And then pull this tail tight to close the magic ring like this. After that, we will work a slip stitch on top of the first single crochet to join the round. This is the first single crochet, so we will insert the hook into the stitch on top of the first single crochet here. Yarn over, pull through the stitch and pull through the loop. With that, we have completed our first round. And then start with round 2. There I'm going to work over the tail so that it will get hidden inside the stitches. Chain 1 and then we will work 1 increase in each one of the stitches around, which means we need to work 2 single crochets in each one of the stitches. So we will go into the base stitch here to start with and work 2 single crochets. 1 and insert the hook into the same stitch back again and work another single crochet. 2. This is an increase. Again, go into the second stitch here and work 2 single crochets. 1 and 2. Like that, we will continue working 2 single crochets into each one of the stitches around. 1 and 2. Again, 1 and 2. Like that, just continue the pattern until the end and meet me back there. Now I'm at the end of the round 2. And then we are going to work a slip stitch to join the round. Insert the hook into the first single crochet and work a slip stitch. With that, we have completed the second round. And start with round 3, chain 1 and then work 1 single crochet into the first base stitch over here and then an increase into the second stitch. 1 and 2. Repeat the same pattern. Work 1 single crochet into the first stitch and an increase into the second stitch. 1 and 2. Again repeat the pattern. 1 single crochet into the first stitch and increase into the second stitch. 1 and 2. Like that, we need to repeat the pattern until the end of the round. Now I'm at the end of the round 3. By the end you need to have 24 stitches around. And then we will join the round by working a slip stitch on top of the first single crochet over here. And then we will get started with round 4. Chain 1 and then work 1 single crochet into the first base stitch here and then an increase into the second stitch. 1 and 2. Again 1 single crochet into the third stitch. This is the pattern we need to repeat on this round. Work 1 single crochet into the first stitch and an increase into the second stitch. 1 and 2. Again 1 single crochet into the third stitch. Again repeat the pattern. 1 single crochet into the first stitch and an increase into the second stitch. 1 and 2. Again 1 single crochet into the third stitch. Just repeat the pattern until the end of the round and meet me back there. This is the end of the round, and then work a slip stitch on top of the first single crochet to join. By the end you will have 32 stitches around. Now we will get started with round 5. Chain 1 and here we are going to work 1 single crochet into each one of the first 3 stitches. 1 single crochet into the first stitch, 1 single crochet into the second stitch, 1 single crochet into the third stitch and an increase into the fourth stitch. 1 and 2. Again repeat the pattern. 1 single crochet into the first stitch, 1 single crochet into the second stitch, 1 single crochet into the third stitch and an increase into the fourth stitch. 1 and 2. Again repeat the pattern. 1 and 2. 1 and 2. Just repeat the pattern until the end of the round and meet me back there. Now I'm at the end of the round. This is what it looks like, and then we will go into the very first single crochet here and work a slip stitch to join the round. Now we need to have 40 stitches around. Now we will get started with round 6, that is going to be the outline of the project. We need to have quite a big loop to start with. Here we are going to work reverse single crochets in each one of the stitches around. In reverse we are going to work into the previous stitch here. So insert the hook, yarn over, pull through. Now you can see that the loops are twisted. Leave it as it is. Yarn over and pull through both the loops like this. This is the reverse single crochet. Again, make the loop a little big and then go into the previous stitch, yarn over, pull through the stitch, leave the loops twisted like this, yarn over and pull through both the loops. Again, go into the previous stitch, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through too. Just like the same, we are going to work one reverse single crochet into each one of the stitches around to make the outline of the coaster. Just continue the pattern until the end and meet me back there. I will show you how to finish the work. Now I have completed the round, and then we will leave a long tail for sewing and cut the yarn off. After that, we can use the crochet hook to hide the tail inside the stitches, just like this. And then I'm going to pull the tail to the back of the work and cut it off. If you want, you can just use a glue stick to paste that to the back of the coaster, and this is what the final project will look like. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed making this easy crochet coaster with me. If you loved this tutorial, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel for more simple and creative crochet projects. See you next time.